আমি অনেক কষ্ট করে হ্যান্ডরাইটিং বুঝি এন্ড আমার মাথা ব্যথা করে
So
ভাই
it's my new routine. I will see in the Tuesday's class. It was at
This is our new
2:40
routine?
now. Yeah, it's my one.
আবার চেঞ্জ হবে আমার মনে হয় এটা আবার চেঞ্জ হবে
হ্যাঁ পুরোই কিন্তু স্যারের কত
And
ব্রেক
Ziba, after your departure, we did till 26. Now
ক্লাসকে কি করছে
we will continue from 27. Yesterday we did from 12 to 26. Today we will continue from 27.
Okay, sir.
And Moshi will start reading this one and tell the answer.
এই যে স্যার শ্রাবণী নতুন স্যার ওকে দিয়ে স্টার্ট করেন সেটা ঠিক না স্যার ওকে দিয়ে স্টার্ট করেন
Later yeah we you know
নো স্যার এটা আনফেয়ার স্যার আমরা যখন আসতাম আপনি আমাদেরকে দিয়ে স্টার্ট করেন আজকে শ্রাবণী আসছে শ্রাবণীকে দিয়ে করেন
if you are taking anything new anywhere then you have to give some time to reach in equilibrium, right? So we are giving her walaikum salam. We are giving her some time to be equilibrium. Continue, Moshi.
Okay, sir. A neutral atom of chlorine 37 is compared with a neutral atom of argon 37. How do the number of electrons and the number of the neutrons in each of atoms compare?
Okay, so neutral means number of protons and number of electrons are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
And chlorine, argon, these two are different elements. Am I right?
Yes.
If they both are different elements, that means they have different proton numbers. Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Continue.
So if they have different proton numbers, of course they have different electron numbers.
Answer is A.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Now think of their number of neutrons. Number of neutrons.
কোন পর্যন্ত করা হলো এ নিয়ে
Number of neutrons, number of electrons, number of protons, all are different, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this one? This one is a little bit difficulty level is little bit more than the questions you did before, because you have to think of the way I told that they are different elements, chlorine and argon. As they are different elements, they have different proton numbers. And if they have different proton numbers, of course they have different electrons, as they are neutral atoms.
That's mass number 2.
In neutral numbers, in neutral elements, you have proton number and electron number same, because their charge is same. Is it clear to you? Hello?
Yes.
Ziba?
Yes.
So the answer should be A.
I was right.
Number of electrons different, number of neutrons different. Yeah, you are a talented boy. Of course you are right. Then continue 28. This one is easier. Say the answer of this one. Read this. Moshi, read.
Sir, এটাও আমি স্যার এটা কেমন কথা?
Yes. We will continue some.
Which row is correct for nuclear fusion?
You are absent yesterday.
এই যে স্যার এইসব কি স্যার অ্যাবসেন্টের কাফারা দিবেন স্যার এই তো ঠিক না স্যার পরে ক্লাসে তো জয়েনই করা যাবে না তাইলে
Carry on please. 28.
Which row is correct for nuclear fission and for nuclear fusion?
C.
না জানি না, আচ্ছা পড়ি তো নেই, আগে শেষ করি।
সি হবে কানাডা।
কানাডা, কানাডা।
Let him think. Let him think. Yeah. Moshe, in fusion, what are the
কানাডা।
Sir, explain for him, please. In number two.
Moshe?
Yes, sir, I am still alive.
Tell
বললোই
us.
তো সি স্যার।
Tell
স্যার
us.
বললাম তো কানাডা স্যার।
Canada. Why Canada?
Yes, sir.
আমার কথা
Because
শুনে
it's
বলে দে।
Canada. না না কি না তোর কথা কেন?
Okay, in fusion we are having heavier nuclei, right? At the beginning, and from there we are that is breaking down, and we are getting smaller nuclei. That means the product is smaller and the given element is bigger. In fusion, fusion is happening in star, sun. This one is very easy, right?
জানি তো স্টার।
That's why the energy source of star uh, star or any in any star or sun, it is fusion. Shravani, they know all these things very well. Only for you, I am just repeating the same thing again and again. Okay, so you try to get it. So 29,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
29. Moshi, continue 29.
এই কি স্যার আমার সাথে কি শুরু করছেন স্যার? কাফারে এক না দুইটা দিলাম এরপরেও।
Continue, please. If you do
Alpha
it,
particles
continue.
pass through an electric field or a magnetic field. How is the path of the particles affected by these fields? I think it's Bangladesh.
বি বাংলাদেশ। অ্যানসার
আইডি কে
So-
তোদের বাংলাদেশ কেন মনে হইতেছে, আমার
Okay.
আমেরিকা মনে হচ্ছে।
Adnan, what's your answer?
আমার এ মনে হচ্ছে আইডি কে ওয়াই।
It's correct, A, because
ওরে
both electric field and magnetic field they are affecting the charged particles, right? Alpha particle is charged particle. That's why
পজিটিভলি
it will be affected by electric field.
both the
It is
fields.
very easy, and magnetic field also. Which one will be undeflected? That is gamma radiation, right?
Gamma.
Yeah, Aisha, now you understand?
মুশি হাসিস কেন রে?
স্যার alpha
Yes.
particles is heavier than beta particles, isn't that correct?
Yes. Alpha particles are heavier. That's why their deflection will be less, but they will not be undeflected. There will be some deflection. So can we go to 30 now?
Yep.
Yeah. Shravani, we uploaded the notes on this topic. The notes uploaded and recordings are also there.
Recording.
Yeah, you please go through them. Try to understand. Then you can. These are very simple things. Okay. These are
Sir,
like
Google Classroom.
Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, everything is there. You just go back. Scroll back. Then you can get everything.
Sir.
30. Now Adnan, you continue 30.
স্যার মুশি পড়াশোনা করে না, ওকে দিয়ে পড়ান।
একটা লাথি মাইরা তোরে ফালাই দিমু, কি কস?
এই।
পড়ি না তাই না?
Control. Yeah.
Control,
Oh, sorry,
please,
sir.
শান্তি।
Adnan.
Number 30. Yes, sir, পড়তেছি। The compositions of 4 nuclei are shown in the table. Which 2 nuclei are isotopes of the same element?
আদনান তোর weird
A.
accent টা কই Q আর R
আমার weird accent ভাবছি আজকে থেকে আর করুম না।
God
Okay.
think it's D.
So
I'm very not can.
wait, আমার weird accent কবেই বা ছিল?
Adnan,
সারা জীবনে ছিল।
Adnan,
Thank
No,
you.
I mean, we can look it.
should I give you clue or you got the answer?
Answer A.
Answer
A
A.
বললামই তো
হ্যাঁ।
P and Q.
P and Q. Okay. So why it is?
Same number of protons, different number of neutrons.
Very good. So it's very easy, right? Both are 88, P and Q. 31. Continue.
আমি স্যার,
Yes, you should continue.
A
which
হবে।
graph shows স্যার এই যে অ্যান্সার বলে দিচ্ছি স্যার।
স্যার কই গেল?
সেটাই তো
I'm
স্ক্রিন
here,
অফ করে
I'm
দিল
here.
নাকি?
I'm here. I just checked that recording is
Which
going
graph
on.
shows how the count rate of radioactive isotope varies with time?
A.
You know this shape, right? When we did the
The half
half-life.
life এর ওই যে
Yeah, when we
গ্রাফটা।
did half-life, you got the shape, right?
Yes.
So this one is A. Very simple. Then 32.
Read Moshi.
Dating of ancient bones. Answer to A.
Yeah,
Number 33 এর অ্যান্সার বললে নাকি?
32.
Why? I
32.
think it's Bangladesh.
32, the answer is A, right? Dating of ancient
Yes.
bones. Carbon
Yes.
14 is used.
Carbon dating.
33, Aisha, you read.
A nucleus of phosphorus emits beta particles form a new nucleus. What is the nuclear number and what is the total number of the new nucleus?
Yeah, this one you have to
Yes.
think little bit.
D.
Again,
Is it D?
yes, Dhaka, right?
Yes, Dhaka D.
Yes, D. How it is D? Can you explain for Shravani?
Because, well, oh,
So
I think
because the
everyone
N number is the
understands.
mass number,
Mm-hmm.
and by minusing 15,
Minusing.
Minusing.
আচ্ছা না
Vocab.
Minusing.
Moshi, vocab.
সেখানে mass
ভাই
numberটাই মিলাইছি।
ইংলিশে ডাবল স্টার পাইবো শিওর থাক।
Look,
Proton plus electron.
Shravani,
Beta
everyone
particle
knows
হচ্ছে
it. Yeah?
electron.
Everyone knows it, and Aisha also knows it. But maybe she is, she knows this is.
I was
The
going to
answer is
tell you,
D.
but then you said Shravani. I was going to tell you, but then you said Shravani tell. I was like, okay.
Excuse.
Okay. Look,
Nah.
Shravani. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Shravani. Look, how it is happening. Aisha's answer is correct, and everyone, I think, present here, they know the explanation. And the thing is here, we have here 15, right, for phosphorus.
Yeah.
So 15 is our proton number. Then we have 17 neutrons here, right? 32 minus 15.
Yes, sir.
So 17 neutrons, 15 protons. So we have 2 extra neutrons. And as we have 2 extra neutrons, that's why this element is radioactive, and extra neutron will break down into proton and electron. Okay, this electron is known as beta decay. Okay, beta particle. So in any nuclear reaction or any radioactive decay, if there is any beta particle emitting, that means we are having one electron and one proton from one neutron. Is it clear?
আচ্ছা সেই অনুযায়ী
Yes,
স্যার
sir.
ওই যে
Is it
নিউক্লিয়ন
clear?
নাম্বার 1 কমবে না?
Yeah,
কি হবে না
nuclear
ওটা?
number 1 is decreasing and 1 is increasing also. That's why it is balanced. Look, we are losing one neutron,
হ্যাঁ.
again we are getting one
Getting
proton.
proton plus electron.
So proton number added there, that's why the mass number remains same. Mass number is still 32, and proton number increases 1. It was 15, now it is 16. And mass number was
নেক্সট
32.
নাম্বারটা অনেক ইজি হবে মনে হচ্ছে।
Mass number was 32, and still it is 32 because neutron lost but proton gained. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is clear, then we can go to next one. 32. Yeah, Aisha, please continue. 34. I'm going down.
নিচে যান স্যার
I'm going down. Yeah, this one is also easier.
in nuclear
Fusion or join
nuclear
together,
gas-
C.
আচ্ছা
Okay, let her read because everyone has to understand, right? If you
in
tell the
nuclear
answer,
dash hydrogen nuclei dash to form helium nuclei releasing energy. Fill in the blanks.
yeah, which word correctly completes gaps 1 and 2? Look, in nuclear fusion, we have 2 hydrogen nuclei. They join together and form a heavier nuclei, helium. Yeah, Shravani, you understand? Fusion means fuse together. That means join together. Okay, so the way Adnan was saying, the answer is C. It is fusion, and here
স্যার মসি আমাকে তাহেরির ওয়াচ ছাড়তে বলতেছে, ছাড়বো?
no.
একটা থাপড় দিমু।
So
আমি এসএস নিয়ে
fusion,
রাখতেছি।
and here we are having 2 hydrogen nuclei joining together. Okay, to form helium nuclei. You also know about Tahiri. Mashallah, you have lots of general knowledge.
স্যার সব কে না চিনে স্যার, যেমন ফেমাস হইছে।
আমি চিনি না
আমি পেট লাগতে
এই
পারবো, শ্রাবণী
কে
চিনে না।
চিনে না? এই কে চিনে না?
আমি তেহেরি
কি
শুনতেছি
বললি?
তাহেরি কে
পেট
চিনে না?
লাগতে পারবো।
আল্লাহ।
শ্রাবণী
Oh my
যখন গান
goodness.
শুনছো আর কেউ তাহিরের চিনে।
Okay, fine. Now,
বস।
Yakin, you continue.
Yes, sir.
35.
How many protons are in the nucleus of a radium?
88
88, yes sir. A, America.
America. How many
Argentina.
protons? It's the easiest one, right? Then
Yes,
continue 36.
Yes.
The diagram shows radioactive emissions that pass through a piece of plastic and a piece of metal of the same thickness. Which type of radioactive emission can be distinguished between the plastic and metal?
D probably.
gamma ray না শুধু
Yeah, think of.
D,
then try
হ্যাঁ,
to think.
gamma. Gamma only.
Yes, gamma ray, sir.
Sure.
it's beta only.
স্যার লেড দিয়ে যেটা আটকায় সেটা হবে। এখন লেড দিয়ে কোনটা আটকায় ওটা
আচ্ছা,
মনে
এখানে
পড়ছে না।
distinguish বলছে, so ওভাবে করতে হবে।
Think. Take your time. This one is a little bit tricky questions, huh? You think of.
It's beta.
Alpha.
The answer is beta.
Alpha can be stopped by paper. Beta
Paper.
can be stopped by aluminium.
Aluminium.
And gamma can be stopped by,
Partially stopped by lead.
yeah, lead. So which one will take? Which type of
It is
radioactive emissions
specified a
can?
metal.
So will beta and gamma will be stopped by plastic? What do you think?
Sir, I think the answer is C.
Why though?
Because gamma is partially stopped by lead and beta is stopped by aluminium. So there's a better chance for beta.
Okay, which type of radioactive emission can distinguish between the plastic and metal? That means what can like show differentiation between plastic and metal, right?
এটা মাইক স্কিম
হ্যাঁ।
খোল সবাই, চোখ বন্ধ করে।
Then beta হবে, হ্যাঁ।
Okay,
Like
there
they-
is. Should I give you one clue from the diagram? That one will
Then,
help
sir.
you to understand. Look, in the first diagram, we got both beta and plastic crossing the, beta and gamma are crossing the plastic, right? And going to the detector. And alpha is stopped here in plastic. In second diagram, again, alpha is stopped. So we are not getting any difference for alpha in plastic and metal. Do you agree with me?
Then it's beta.
Do you
Yeah,
agree with
that's
me?
Only difference হচ্ছে হ্যাঁ beta.
Okay, so for the metal one and the plastic one, both we are having gamma is crossing, right? So we are also not having any difference for gamma. Only we are getting difference for beta. Through plastic it can go, through the metal it can't. Is it clear now? From the diagram you can decide. Even if you don't have any other information, but from the diagram you can understand it. Is it clear to everyone? Shravani?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 37.
The
37
background
continue.
count rate in a laboratory is 10 counts per minute. The measured count rate from a radioactive source is 410 counts per minute, which includes the background. The half-life of the source is 5 days. What is measured count after 15 days?
Yeah, you think and get it. Don't see the mark scheme. Don't see the mark scheme. Just think and try to get it. So how many half-lives you crossed?
3.
After 15. 3 half-lives. Yes, very good. Now, what is your original count? That one you have to find. Your background count is 10, right? You cannot use half-life to get the reading after, you
So
know.
the answer will be number B, 50 counts per minute.
Number and alphabet.
No, no. You are very close, Yakin. There is still something more. That
C.
one you have to do.
C.
Yes.
Yes, C, number C.
Why it is? Can you explain?
Because
Can
we
you
have
write?
to add,
কারণ আপনি বলছেন
Can
B
you
এর
write here
ক্লোজ হবে
the
তাই C.
explanation, numerical explanation?
because we have to add the background radiation.
Yes, at the end, right? At the
Yes,
beginning,
sir.
we have to subtract, and again at the end, we have to add. Everyone understood? I think for Shravani, I have to explain. Otherwise, she will not understand. I want to make her
Explain
presence.
করলেও বুঝবে না ও তো আগের ক্লাসগুলো মিস
No, now she will understand. She will understand now. Wait. Look, Shravani, we are dealing
Yes,
with
sir.
half-life. Okay. Here half-life is given 5 days, and total days we are going, that is 15 days. So we are getting here 3 half-lives, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are having background radiation, background counted. That means some of the readings are coming from the surrounding area without the radioactive source. With the radioactive source and the background count, we are having total count 410. That means our original count from the radioactive source is only 410, right? 400.
Yes, sir.
If you subtract 10, then it will be 400 only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now
Sir, I can bet, sir, শ্রাবণী কিছু বুঝে নেই।
সেটাই তো আমি 10 মিলিয়ন বেট করব।
No, she will understand. Wait, slowly.
হাফ লাইফ কি এটাই তো জানে না ও।
Half-life.
তো হাফ লাইফই জানে না ও
Okay,
কি
now
বুঝবে?
she will understand. Wait. What is
এটাই তো,
half-life?
sir।
Now, look, Shravani, our count rate from the source is 400, right? Hello?
Sir.
The count rate from the
Yes.
source is 400. So half-life means when the count rate, the time to be the half of the count rate, right? If the count rate is 400, the half will be 200, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So in one half-life, it will be 200. We have 3 half-lives. I am making it short. Don't worry. Then another half-life we are having 100, right? And finally, we are getting 50. The one Yakin said at the beginning that it should be 50 after 3 half-lives. But they are saying what is the measured count? And when we are having the measured count, we have to add 10 with this one. Which 10, Savani?
There is a background counted there.
Yes, excellent. Look, she understood. So the answer is
এটা স্যার
60.
প্রাইমারি স্কুলের বাচ্চা বুঝতে পারবে, খালি 10 যোগ করলে 60 হবে।
Okay. Now, at least she got some ideas. Nothing, actually, if she's not understanding nothing, that will be a pain for her to be present in class, right? I wanted to give her some knowledge so that it's not going above her head. Is it okay for everyone?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, just take it easily, everyone. You know, all of you know, I understand. You are very much expert on this. Now, Shravani will do it. 38. Now it's her time. Shravani, read it. I
এবার
will
দেখা
help you.
যাক।
Shravani, read.
One isotope of carbon is C14(6). Okay, never mind. How many neutrons and protons does each atom of this isotope contain?
Mm-hmm.
D।
D. Dhaka.
Mm-hmm. So,
Is that the answer?
how many neutrons and how many protons does each atom of this isotope contain? So, proton number should be same, right? For isotope,
Yes,
the
sir.
proton number should be same. Our given proton number is 6. So each of the isotope is same proton number. So it can be
I
6
think
only,
it's
right?
Canada.
It can
C,
be
yeah,
A,
C.
it can be C, or it can be D, right? Now
Yes,
we
sir.
are checking with the number of neutrons. Here we have number of neutrons. How many?
14।
Neutrons. I said
ও
neutrons.
আচ্ছা,
not
নিউট্রনস।
Yeah. How
তাহলে
many
হচ্ছে 12।
neutrons?
আচ্ছা,
How many?
নিউট্রনস, I thought।
Yeah. How
12।
many neutrons are there?
12।
Neutrons.
14, 14।
14 is nucleons, mass number.
Neutrons.
But
নিউক্লিয়ন।
Eight
আরে
আছে।
ধুর, কি বলতেছি?
8 neutrons.
8.
8
Eight,
Yeah.
eight,
neutrons.
8
minus
neutrons.
6.
So which one will be answer?
C. Canada.
See, I was right, sir.
Yeah, Canada. So look, Shravani could answer. Thank you so much.
So Shravani answered
এটা
D.
কেমন স্যার? এটা তো আমি
No,
বলছিলাম, এটা কি
আমি
হইলো স্যার?
mass number ভাবছিলাম,
এই
এই
যে
কারণে
স্যার,
বলছি।
এটা
Now
তো ঠিক না স্যার।
at the end, she is right. Thank you so much for your trying, for
থ্যাংক ইউ
understanding.
স্যার।
Yeah, and
ক্লাস শেষ না?
again she will try another one. Look, she will try now 39. Okay, continue. Shravani, 39. It's related to half-life.
So
Shravani,
it
read.
বেশি tough হয়েছে না?
Shravani, read.
The isotope barium-140 has a half-life of 13 days. A sample of this isotope is kept for 13 days. Which quantity halves during this time?
Okay, this one will be answered by Ziba.
Yeah.
The number of atoms of barium-140 in the sample.
What?
So
Which one?
39 answer. A.
A. Number of atoms or number of nuclei, okay, will be half. Is it clear, everyone? Don't mix up
Yes,
with
sir.
nucleons. Okay, if they are saying nuclei, that is correct, but nucleons meaning proton number, neutron numbers, that's not becoming half. Okay, it's converting to other elements. So number of atoms of barium 140 in the sample is becoming half. So is it clear to you, or you have any confusion still? All of you. Yakin, Aisha,
Clear, sir.
I'm good.
Clear, sir.
Moshi. Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Then 40, the last one. The last MCQ. Yeah. We will read. Yakin, you read.
In a laboratory experiment, particles from a radioactive source are deviated by a magnetic field and reach a detector. Which particles are deviated and reach the detector?
Yeah, this one
Alpha
is
and beta.
a bit
Beta hobe.
tricky one. You have to think about this one.
মাথা কাজ
এখানে
করতেছে
বেটা
না
হবে
আমার।
কারণ বেটা এত বেশি অ্যালফা এত বেশি রিফ্লেক্ট করে না
Yeah, think of.
Beta particles only. কারণ alpha অত দূর যাবে না আর
এত ডিফ্লেক্ট হবে না
গামা রেস তো একদম সোজা চলে যাবে বিকজ
ডি 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 ডোরাএমন
Yeah. So you understood it? All of you. It's beta particles only.
Read by things right to.
So we are done with all the MCQs. 40 MCQs.
স্যার আল্লাহ হাফেজ স্যার টাইমও শেষ
No, we have 1 minute. Just I am giving you some work.
আর থাক
Structure-
না
স্যার না
structured
স্যার
questions.
একসাথে করি না।
Yeah, we will
এখানে
do
স্কুলে
together, but if
স্যার
you try,
বেশি
that
প্রেশার
will
নিয়ে
be,
নিলে পরে
না,
ব্রেন
স্যার,
হার্ট অ্যাটাক আসবে স্যার বাদ দেন না স্যার
try as
উফ
much
উফ
as possible.
মোশি
I am
and his
not
logic
giving you
খাইছে
মানে মসি
হ্যাঁ
One,
কি
Dude.
করে
বলবো?
যা
look
ডক
here.
করে যা।
Okay, Moshi.
স্ট্রোক করলে তো ওকে মানতাম
Moshi, you will not stroke,
Yes,
inshallah. Your all the problems will remove if you do this. Okay.
স্যার আশা করি এরপর আর বেঁচে থাকবো না স্যার
You try 3 questions at least, 3 structured questions from here, and we have 9 questions. If you practice all these questions, nuclear physics will be like
বলে বলে নিশ্চিত ফেল
drinking water for you, right? So
Drinking
you
water?
try it. Yeah, the way you can drink the
ওয়াটারটা
water
কি
easily.
জানোস মোশি
হ্যাঁ ওই বুঝছি আমি বলা লাগবে না
তোরা চ্যাটসে পাঠাইতেছি
So you are having 9 questions. You try 3. This 3 is your homework. Okay, everyone, try as much as possible. Thank you so much.
আল্লাহ হাফেজ স্যার।
ওকে স্যার আল্লাহ হাফেজ স্যার
আসসালামু
আল্লাহ
আলাইকুম
হাফেজ।